Hello everyone, I'm late for a very important date. Some of you might remember I shared a giveaway on my channel back in December. I shared a Stationery Pal unboxing, and Stationery Pal were very kind to offer one of my subscribers a box as well, and I just haven't got round to announcing the winner as yet, so I just want to go back and just remind you of the goodies that I received. I was allowed to choose these myself. Those of you that have been following me for a long time will remember me using some of these products. My favourite is the Tombow Monograph pencil, mechanical pencil. I get asked about this all the time. It's a really nice weight. I absolutely love this pencil and highly recommend it. I also had the Gansai Tambi Kuretake watercolour set. These are the colours that were included. I absolutely love these. I've got 3 sets of Gansai Tambi watercolours now. I also ordered these Martini watercolour brushes. I love these, and just look how pretty they are. So these are the ones that were included in the set. I've used a few of these. I don't know whether you can remember, I shared this Sashiko project a few weeks ago. I'll leave the link to this project here in the description box below, but I did use the paintbrushes and some of the Gansai Tambi watercolours in this set. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link to that in the description box below. I also had the Academy watercolour pad. I've got these in a couple of sizes. Love this watercolour pad, absolutely great. Then I ordered some stencils, and I haven't used any of these yet, but some wonderful designs, lots of mandalas, and I've got some ideas that I'll be sharing in the coming weeks with these. I also ordered these, I don't know whether these are called China markers, but these are the Mitsubishi Dermograph pencils, and I chose these colours. I think these were all the colours that they had. Really excited to try these out. So keep watching if you want to see how I decide to use all of my supplies going forward. But, I do want to share a winner today. Now, as well as this, Stationery Pal also sent me some Christmas presents as well. And I know that in the unboxing video, a lot of you said, oh, I'm just dying to see what was inside. I'll leave the footage at the end of this video, but I do want to share the winner today. So this is where I'm going to start to ramble. I always use a YouTube random winner picker to pick winners for any of the prizes I have on offer on my YouTube channel. And I always insist as well that anybody who's entering and comments on the giveaway must be subscribed to my channel. Now, the first 4 winners were not subscribed, so I picked a 5th, and it was Evelyn Roseo. I already had Evelyn's email address and contacted her, and she said, Nina, that's absolutely lovely, but please can you pick another winner, because I'm absolutely full to the brim in my craft studio, so please pass it on to somebody else. So I picked another winner, and it was Janet Dand. Now, anybody who's been following my previous videos will know that Janet won the Daphne's Diary giveaway, but Janet asked if I would pass the Daphne's Diary magazine on to somebody else as well, because she was already subscribed and felt that she didn't need 2 copies, and it was only fair for somebody else to have it. So I went back to Evelyn and asked if she would like to have the Daphne's Diary magazine, and asked Janet if she would like to have the Stationery Pal giveaway box, and yes, we had a happy outcome. So the winner, after all of my rambling, is Janet Dand. So congratulations, Janet. I've got no idea what will be included in your prize box, but all I can say is that I've loved everything that I've received from Stationery Pal. I've done 2 unboxings, this one here and one previously. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below for anybody who's interested, and I've also placed 3 separate orders as well for goodies myself, for Christmas presents and birthday presents. Particularly love their stationery and fountain pens and all of that kind of thing, and I haven't been disappointed with anything that I have received, and I think if you're forking out of your own pocket, then to me that says it all. So for those of you who are interested, I'll show you the footage showing me opening the Christmas presents that Stationery Pal very kindly gifted me. And I'll leave the video here by saying thanks for watching. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.